What up? What up? Oh, it's the holiday session coming at you hot. We started off pretty well. Yo, Donovan, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, Raphael Trades. Good morning. Today's starting off pretty well. Oh, good night because it's in India. Yay, Speed Racer. What's up? Yeah, trading this session, living in India is rough. What do you like? I think you're like 8 hours. I bet you're like 8 or 9 hours ahead, something like that. What up, Donald? What up? What up? Just starting the day off. Ooh. I'm waiting for the open. I wonder what we get here. Yo, Asian Munda. What up? Yeah, man. Gotta stream the holiday, you know what I'm saying? Gotta stream the holiday. I appreciate the support, Munda. Definitely appreciate it. Apex approved my payout. Yeah, they're paying me. I I'm about to request another payout from them. So I think I need 1 or 2 more trading days. That's what I think I need is 1 or 2 more trading days, and I'll be able to do it. Yo, what up, Curtis? What up? Well, here's the open. I don't want to trade the first couple minutes. It's gonna be freaking crazy. Yeah, I had to record my trades. I had to make a recording for them. All was good. I made the recording and they paid me. They approved my payment in 2 days. In 2 days, I was approved. So I'm not too worried about it. I mean, everybody's doing it. Everyone's making a video. The issue is, I was reading like I guess people are using bots and they're all buying and selling at the same time. My giveaway process. We're gonna do a duck race later on in the day. We don't later on in the day where I'm gonna trade now until we'll probably do it like 11:30, 12 o'clock. What up, Alex? What up? What up? Let's see what we get. Holidays. Yeah. Listen, I don't mind Apex at all. I mean, I've never been denied. I don't break any of their rules. I just trade as I trade, and that's it. Yeah, today does not count as a trading day. Nope. And if you trade real money, your money actually doesn't even settle today. Not that options is open, but if you were trading futures or whatever, your margin wouldn't even recycle today. Yeah. It's a bank holiday. What up, Diary? Happy Labor Day. Kids all go back to school up here this week. So get the place back to myself. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely going to trade. I mean, things are going well already for myself, but if you're not feeling it, like I tell everybody, if you're not feeling it, don't do it. But volume is definitely light on a day like today. I bet you we finish up. I'm curious what everybody thinks because we're like right there. What up, Ivan? Darrell wishes all a happy bank holiday. Here's 80% off. Dude, he's watching me right now. He didn't put my account in for a payout. I think I need a couple more days. Any giveaway? Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway in like 2.5 hours. We're focused on trading right now and making money. Hold on, I gotta close my office door. Yeah, we do giveaways when it's like slow and stuff like that, not when the market first opens up and we're trying to make money here. Let's pop this open. Who cares about a duck race? You think it's going to finish at 0? Dude, are you a guy that bets 0 on roulette? Nobody wants that guy. The guy who puts his money on 0? Oh, jeez. There's nothing worse than putting your money on the roulette table and some guy pops freaking 0. And he's like, yeah! And everybody else is like, just got smoked. Definitely freeing up some. The truth hurts. Gonna flatline a close. I hope not. What up, Andy? I think we're gonna finish up 0.23%. So this will be 0.23%. So what would that be? Probably around the 40s or 50s, somewhere around there. Dude, I would love. Imagine we got. I'm trying to think the last time we freaking got some crazy move during a holiday. I'd love a big move. Unexpected news event? Yeah. I don't think we're going to get an unexpected news event. Let's see what happens here. Kind of overshot this wick. I'm just seeing if we're going to hold up. Kind of this area. We're at the 21 on the 5, which is this red line, and I'm curious if we hold it. The problem that we're going to get is with the low volume, we can easily overshoot support and resistance today and then back quickly reclaim it. I think there was a good price action last half day we had. Yeah, I think you're right, Steve. I'm trying. That was like 4th of July, I think. I mean, we just got a quick hundo. I mean, probably should have been copy trading that. Would have been nice. 100 across a bunch of accounts. I got to fire up my trying to fire up my, what do you call it? My quant tower. The old quant tower. Yo, Aru. What up? Trying to figure out what's the parent account on my 50K on my that's so weird. Yo, what up, Alfred? Yo, for some reason my copy trader on Quant Tower got rid of the freaking things. Oh, I was just gonna effing take this thing. Why is it not? I gotta set up a new copy trader. Oh, it's not even letting me click the parent accounts. Oh, I gotta disconnect and reconnect. Even gold and oil are barely moving. Dude, I played oil. You don't need much of a move to make money there, man. That thing's freaking crazy. Oh, here it is, 56.30. Lighten up the old copy trader right now. Up 500. I think that's good day for a bank holiday. I wasn't going to trade it first. Joanne, I wasn't going to trade either. And then the juices just started flowing in the morning. And I was like, what would a real degenerate do? And I was like, I think I'm going to trade today. And here I am. I figured we'll have some fun later on. Hopefully stack some gains. Dude, gotta keep the stream going. Gotta make that money. Freaking trading. Look at this. I mean, I got pretty good gains so far. Like I'm glad I came on. Jeez. I mean, I just halfway past an eval already, and then I'm stacked a little bit in these other evals. So I'm kind of happy. Dude, would I full port my cash account? That's when I hit Traders Anonymous. I full ported funded accounts before Design Hub. That wouldn't be a first. Definitely not a first. I got a brand new Apex account one time, and I went in like instantly 5 contracts, and I made like $800 like that. And then I realized that there was the consistency rule, and I was like, oh, why did I do that? That's the problem with the consistency rule, is you can't really go all in. I smashed a take profit trader account like that, without a doubt. Completely went in heavy. I literally got a take profit funded account and was like, man, I can get this thing funded, not funded. I can get a payout on day one. Man, I went all in. I got that thing up a little bit, maybe like $1,200 real quick. And I was like, oh, I'm going to smash this for like 8 grand today. And then I blew it. I blew it. It was fun though. I had fun. Definitely had some fun. All right, let's see what we get going here. Now I'm going to pull up some of my. If we get back into the 24 range, I will probably. I want to see this get down to 23-ish. Put some buys in there. By the way, if anyone's new on this stream, this isn't one of those things where I tell you I kind of like it, and then after it goes, I tell you I made a ton of money and you don't actually see it. I put my orders in so you guys can all see what I'm doing. This is as transparent as it gets. I'm not going to tell you I made 10 grand and I didn't show you I got in or where I put my orders. Just throwing it out there for anybody that's wondering if you're new here. This is super transparent. You get to see everything. Even if I smoke a bunch of accounts, you definitely won't see me turn the stream off. You'll see me light up more accounts, but you won't see me turn the stream off. You get a front row seat to total on tilt. Yeah, Austin, we up. I took a trade right here earlier, and I sold up here, and I did something else. No talking about the new Lambo, dude. I mean, I hate to say it, but you're an idiot if you buy a Lambo. As soon as you buy that Lambo, it's worth less. You've already lost money. Believe me, if I had a Lambo, my wife or kids would not think anything different. Actually, they can't even all drive in it. Yeah, I mean, listen, if you're going to drive it, might as well just rent one for like the weekend and enjoy it. Damn, this isn't going to freaking pull back. I think we are going to get a pullback. Let me switch this to 1 minute. Do you see that thing with Don Vo, the Forex trader? He lost 3 million of his followers, Dash? No, what happened? I mean, $3 million, or he lost 3 million followers. And what did he do? I'm super curious, Lee. Damn, this is come on. Come on, pull this back. Pull it back. For anybody that's on here, we're going to do a account giveaway later on in the session. We're going to do a something special later on. We'll have some fun. I just would like to trade a little bit, maybe get some accounts over. Oh, he lost $3 million. Yo, Bedella's in the house. What's up? I will look for it. Just got freaking smoked. I mean, that's a pretty big loss. I mean, honestly, the most money I've ever lost in a single day of trading is probably like, I probably lost 12 grand. is probably like my worst day trading options. Options and stock portfolio combined all down about 12 grand in a day is probably like my 12 or 15 is probably like my biggest loss. Just one take profit trader eval on the red. Yeah, I'm waiting for so the one thing you got to remember today is volume's light. So what you're going to get is like a lot of move up, and then it's going to come back, it's going to backfill it, and then you could probably get an entry. I'm looking to take an entry to see if it follows the 9 up. So I'm looking, it might overshoot the 9 right here. It might actually come all the way down here, and I'll grab another one and see if it kind of turns around and starts pushing up. I actually put a buy. Which one haven't I traded yet? So I actually have a buy at 40. If this thing shoots out of here, I will get it on the back way. What's your best trading day? Probably like $22,000 in a day is probably my best day. It's all options though. It's not like, I'm not talking about prop firm money. I'm talking about real money. I typically don't have huge days. Like my typical day is down anywhere between 500 to like 1,500, or up anywhere between 500 to like 2,500. That's typically, that's a typical range, I would say. I'm not one of these guys on Twitter that gets 8,000% in a day. I don't play zero DTE options or anything like that. I keep it pretty calm. Whoa! Make sure you slam the like button if you're here. Slam it. And hey man, if you like the stream, come subscribe. We stream every day, 1:30 to the end of the day. Oh, what's interesting is on Quant Tower. I'm back. I have the kids home for the next couple of days, and then they're all back to school. Everybody's back to school after this. Get back to trade life by myself. So interesting trading by myself with nobody home. It's nice. I can sit and actually do some research because nobody gets home. They all have whatever going on after school. Yo, what up, Manuel? What up? What up? What are you guys trading? I know there's new people in here. I see that there's 40 plus people in here hanging out. What are you guys up to? Tell me, like, you guys are, somebody started drinking already for their barbecue. This trading isn't looking too promising. We'll see. We shall see. I'm riding whatever I'm in. I'm riding till the account blows up or I get my profit. So I think this looks really good to the upside, to be honest with you. My bias is to the upside. Here's the daily. Sorry, I didn't even mean to do that. So here's the daily on the Qs. You can see we're kind of breaking out of this downtrend flag right off the 34. We're looking really good to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised to see us maybe run a little bit here, end of day, and then kind of be up a solid bit tomorrow. I have to go check the brisket. Dude, I love a good brisket. I love a good brisket. So weird. So weird trading these low volume days. Super weird trading these low volume days. Yo, Guapo, what up, brother? You're watching my vid on my funded futures or take profit trading. I would love to know what you recommend for a beginner. I'll be honest with you, man. If I was starting off as a beginner, I would recommend my funded futures. And here's the reason why. If you've never gotten a payout, the perk of take profit trader is the fact that you can get daily payouts. That's why I want to do it. That's why everybody does it. They pay super fast. They're amazing company. But the fact is, you're there because you can get daily payouts. My funded futures has the ability that if you hit the daily loss limit, you do not lose the account. So you kind of are able to keep the account longer if you're brand new. The issue with my funded futures is, honestly, I think the payouts are not great. It's like 5 days of $100 or more. They pay fast, but there's a consistency rule. There's no consistency rule with take profit trader. So like I would say if you're brand new, I would probably do my funded futures. If you are getting accounts funded and possibly getting payouts, I would probably go the take profit trader route. Both of them, actually, my funded futures is running a 20% off deal today. If you use the coupon code, you get 20% off only the expert accounts. But if I was brand new, I'd probably just buy a starter account, man. I would get the cheapest my funded futures account. Save yourself some money. That's probably what I would do. And then if you were getting payouts, I would probably go the take profit trader route. Only trading I'm doing today is betting with other viewers on whether you're going to end up green or red. Yeah. My funded futures over Topstep. I'll be honest with you. I say yes only because I've never was able to pass a Topstep account, and I started trading my funded futures a week ago, and I already have 2 accounts over. Yeah. Do not pay full price, by the way. Use coupon code COVETRADER and save yourself additional money. Yeah, you'll see. On my funded futures, you'll save yourself additional 5%. Oh man, Darrell has unlimited 80% off deals, dude. Yo, he's sending me my money. That's all I care about. People all complaining. I'm like, dude, make the video. I made the video. I was like, whatever. I'll be honest with you. Austin, like I like Topstep and I have a Topstep account, but I've never been able to pass one. So when people ask me what accounts, from my personal experience, my funded futures over that, take profit trader over Topstep, Apex over Topstep. I think a lot of people are talking about slippage on Topstep X. Slippery when wet. Slippery when wet. Dude, are they gonna bring this freaking down? They look like, it looks like such big moves, but honestly, if this goes up 10 points, it's almost back at the high of the day. I think I'm really starting to like hiking candles more than regular. It keeps me way confident in my trades. Yeah, Jawan, I made a whole video about a friend I had. All he traded was Hikins, and all he traded was when moving averages crossed over each other on the 5-minute chart. I think he used 3 or 5-minute chart. And he showed me his account. I mean, he made 1 year, he was up like 300,000-400,000 at one time. Yo, what up, Fred? Yeah, he was trading real money. He wasn't trading prop firms. He was trading money. I was trading like my E-Trade account, real money also. Everyone is up in arms about the video. Oh, they want to see the screenshots of my strategy. Bro, are you serious? Yeah, like they're going to steal your strategy or something. They just want to make sure you're the one that's hitting the buttons. I've learned so much recently about like all these secret discords and all these different things that you can purchase that people will like trade your account to get them over, and all these bots. It's crazy. So they're just trying to combat that by having you do a video. Who's day trading the MMA? There was a guy I knew back in 2019 to 2023. He's completely off the internet. I don't know what happened to him. He would just kind of follow the moving averages. And he was just playing the crosses, the 8 over the 34, and riding the trends. And he played, dude, he would play like the London Open. He played like all night sometimes, and then wouldn't play in the mornings. Yeah, and he would like add sometimes. It was very interesting. He made a lot of money, and it was super simple. It was the simplest strategy I've ever seen. And he was playing real money, not prop firm money. So he was, you know, sometimes legging into positions and stuff like that. And oh man, this thing's getting freaking. Really? This is what we're going to do today? This one I'm going to have a stop on. Let's say we bounce off the 21. I feel like that's a pure algo candle because of the lack of volume that's here today. He played the 3 or the 5-minute chart. I think depending on the time of day, he played the 3 or the 5. When there was less volume, it was the 5, and when there was more volume, he switched to the 3. I never got like a full rundown. Like he never like made a sheet for me or anything, but you know, he was just telling me about it. He was also a heavy gambler. Only if this reclaims. If this doesn't reclaim, I'll take a shot at the 200. Now, I just want to let you guys know, as you can see, for anybody here, I am not trading my funded accounts. There's a reason why I'm not trading my funded accounts, because I don't feel super confident in trading holiday markets. So I am just trading evals. We're having some fun. If I could pass some evals, great. But I just want everybody to be aware, like, I'm not sitting here being like, oh, this is great, I'm trading my funded account. Like, you know, I'm having fun today. This is me having some fun. What size is your take profit trader? I never passed one. I'm on a 50K eval. I don't like the one. Honestly, I blew my last one recently. I'm going to get another one, but I do the 50 or a 150. Yeah, and today doesn't even count as a day. You're right. Which broker do you recommend trade with? NinjaTrade, TradingView, or TradeAvate? So obviously, you see on my screen I have TradeAvate up. You see on my screen I have TradingView. I don't place trades through TradingView, and I have NinjaTrader. I use NinjaTrader, Quant Tower, TradeAvate, and then I use this is Volumetrica. This is My Funded Futures. So if you're doing My Funded Futures and you did the DX feed, you can use this platform, which is their own platform, if you want to trade on there. All right, we're gonna. I have real money with international brokers. One of margin requirements are lower on E-Trade. I don't know. I know a lot of people that are with international brokers loves it. I would assume that they actually have less requirements. E-Trade makes you keep over $25,000 in your account. Your account value has to be $25,000. Oh, interactive brokers. My bad. I don't use them. I would say that interactive brokers uses less margin requirements. If I had to take a guess, E-Trade you have to maintain over $25,000 account value at all times. Is the 150K a setup because the profit target is 4,500 and the pro live is 5K balance? No, I don't. I never really thought about that, but I will say, like, once you pass and you go pro to pro live, I mean, it's just a positive. I don't, I would say it's a positive, right? I mean, we're basically I'm gonna just mark it in here. We're at the or bottom right here. They only filled me one. This is the or bottom. The 15-minute or bottom is where we're at. Cove, you can use the DX feed login to trade my future as well. I just found that out last night. Yeah, that might be new. I don't know. I don't know if I like Quant Tower better than Volumetrica at this time. Also, I got a lot of accounts. I got too many accounts, Alfred. I gotta condense at some point. I use 3 and 8 EMA with trend lines. Spider-Man's is pretty accurate for me. My problem is having enough patience to wait for the. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. So what I notice is when I trade solo without being on the stream, I take less trades. Volumetrica is ass. Dude, every time somebody uses ass, I think of that. Is that Nicki Minaj? Is it, or Cardi B? What song is it? It's like ass, 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 ass. That's what I think about every time somebody uses that. That's all I can think about. All right, are they going to bounce this shiznick right here or what? I'm just going to mark it in here. I don't think they're going to freaking fill me. Oh, they just filled me. It's Nikki. Yeah, that's all I could think about. Dude, are they going to really freaking dump this? on a holiday? Are you gonna ruin my holiday? Been 3 on that pause. Didn't believe in the long. Oh, Fred, why do you tell me now, man? Why didn't you tell me before? I'm DCAing like it's candy. Oh, gee. Honestly, I full ported my eval to pass and I failed. That's just me being impatient. So I'll treat it like my Apex, 5 micros up to 1 mini. Yeah. You don't want to feel responsible? Hey, man, you're allowed. This chat is an open forum for everybody to say anything. I let some guy in here say he was going to fade me all day, one day. I forget who it was, but he was like, "Oh, I'm going to fade you all day," and he was just like, "I'm like, whatever, man. Like, do your thing. If that, if you see something different, I kind of want to know also. Why, I'm fully open to everybody saying whatever they want in the chat. To me, at least, you can say whatever you want. I'm not going to get offended. Yo, what up, Corey? Morning. Oh, what in the world are they doing here? Why are they doing this to me? If we get over 612, I'm going to probably take a long. You grill? Am I grilling today? I don't. Dude, you just reminded me. Let's DCA like a true and legit DGen. Dude, I'm watching your streams. I think you'd have more success as a trend trader. Uh, maybe, possibly. I do trade the trend a lot. I like to see it pull back. So what I like to do on a trend is I like to see it pull back to the 34, and hold the trend that way. Is typically the way I go about the trend. Um, like something like this, like we're trending, come back to 34, I would buy. Like we hit the 34, I'd probably buy. As long as we kept holding the 34, I'd be willing to take a shot until we broke below. See, it kind of rides to 34 a lot, 34, 34, 34 touch. So that's kind of how I trade. You also got to remember, like, I feel like you guys see 2 hours worth of my trading every day, while there's another 6.5, right? I trade from 8:30, probably 9:30, 10, 11, 12:30, 1:30. So there's about 5 hours of trading you guys don't see. I would say at that given time, I do a lot of different things. Like, I definitely like riding the trend. I'm curious. Imagine they sell this completely off. What up, Red? In big at 6:05. Time to shit or get off the pot, as they say. Are you in long? I'm guessing you're in long. Good morning. Only small moves today. Only up 100 in my new take profit trader using the bro. My man knows the best code, the very best code in the game is Cove Trader. The very best one. Dude, I wish you the best of luck. And I wish you good luck today. And hopefully you win a free account, Ray. I'm the top degen on in the firms. This marks 5 months since I started futures. Jeez, I think I lost more money than everyone in this stream combined. Ray, what account number are you at? What are you up to? Yeah, Ray. I mean, Ray, if you're not on Apex account 500, you got some rookie numbers over there. This looks like it's going to freaking flush. It looks like it's going to flush, but I'm pretty sure it's going to hold 600. I can't believe we just got a 40-point move to the downside. I don't even see anything. There's no like lines or resistance I have up here. I don't even know honestly what caused it, except for algos just being algos. Algos doing algo things. I will say we are definitely stretched to the downside. I have 3 active PAs and gone through 56 evals. Take profit trader about 118 evals. Yo, Ray, have you gotten a payout? Dude, have you gotten payouts though? Like, are payouts offsetting some of it, Ray? I thought you were trading live also. Damn, you never gotten a payout, Ray? Honestly, Ray, like we need to talk your strategy, my man, if you've never gotten a payout. We need to sit down and talk about what you're doing over there, because you should have gotten a payout by then. How are you trading, Ray? Like what are you doing? Maybe I mean, you come here, you watch me, we make money here majority of the time. But what are we doing? Oh, down to 1540. Haha, I need help. Trying. Yeah, you got to take a few wins, even small payouts, just for mental gains. Yeah, like even if the payout window comes and I only take $2,000 out, at least it's $2,000 to keep it going. I'm such a bad trader. I was just going to start a prop firm. I just pay people to do it for me. Try ICT concepts. I mean, I would assume we're going to hold here. Like the Braveheart meme. Hold! Hold! I don't so I actually just took a long, like a idiot in my funded account at 1600. I'm out. that was this turn Forex now futures. So let me share a story. I'm a crypto bro. Oh, Ray, you probably got smoked in crypto. I'm out, catching up on the Lord. Good old Lord of the Rings series, Bedella. I feel like you got to find a strategy that works for you. And that's what you need to stick with. I would say that's the best way to go about it. Something where you see it. Yeah, you made a few million off Bitcoin. Well, think, oh, dude, this just got freaking dropped. That I thought I knew how to trade, but it's been disastrous. I think you really need to focus on a strategy that works. And listen, today is not the day to be testing out a new strategy, because things that work today or don't work today may not work during the regular market. Today is low volume, algos just kind of pushing things around. Like, I hate trading on days like today. I'm not a huge guy that trades after hours because I don't like the price action, So let's see if it holds right here. I'm staying out. This market's been bouncing around. Yeah. I mean, I just took a shot here. I mean, in this account that I'm in, if I can get a couple shekels here. Come on. Bring it on up. Bring it on up. Come on. Yeah, I mean, if you're using the same system and then you can kind of journal kind of what's working, what's not working, like, that's where I would go about things. There's nothing like journaling, just keeping track of trades, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. I just sold one and I moved my stops up. Let's see if this goes higher. Yeah, I mean, I play simple bounces. I look for VWAP 200. I follow the trend on the 34. I love pivot points, which we're super far away from pivot points right now. I don't know if we're going to even get there. I'm starting to implement the fair value gaps into my system. I'm starting to add little things that make the system, my personal system, better and better. Yo, what up, Mohammed? Yeah, crypto is crazy. Good morning, John. Happy holidays, man. honestly, I'm looking if this has a trend change right here. First of all, if it breaks the trend, great. If it gets over the 9, even better. And then if it heads over this fair value gap, I think if we go back over 600, we can get a nice push up. What up? What up, Israel? I think that's where I'm at, or that's what I'm looking at. You'd probably have to clear 601 to really start getting a move on, you know? That's kind of what I'm looking for. And if you don't clear 601, I'm probably going to get hosed. Just keeping it reals. Damn. 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 Everyone, 73% think we're going to finish green on the day. We're not far off. Like, I don't know how I got short here. So basically, oh, it took profit up here. That was nice. Basically, I know things look big, but honestly, this isn't that big. We're down 0.14, which is nothing, which is a big nothing burger. Well, here's the here could be the turnaround. That's an interesting candle, though. Basically, they sold that off. You hit a bunch of stop losses down here. You grabbed them right there, and then they bought it right back up. Wouldn't be surprised if they start pushing it if we can get back over. Come on. You think you're closing at 600? I'd be so annoyed if we closed at 600. That'd ruin my holiday, Ray. My holiday would be ruined. I'm not trading any funded accounts right now. Although I did. I traded 3 funded accounts. I copy traded in my fast track trader account, and I think I made $60, $65. I'm going to trade my evals all day, whatever evals I have, and have some fun. We'll do we'll take the poll for the duck race on how you guys want to do it today. This is why I don't want to trade day. A red day gonna ruin my holiday. Yeah, you know what? That's why you don't trade accounts that you really care about. If you really care about it, so if it's a funded account or it's an eval about to go over, I probably wouldn't trade it. But Apex rebuild me a bunch over this weekend, so I had some accounts just to play with. It was my first firm, and now Take Profit Trader is teaching me that style don't work. Oh yeah, yeah. I like Take Profit Trader though. I think it's I'm a fan. Darrell didn't warn you, dude. He wants to keep me trading, man. You better send me my money. Well, that's why he does one day to pass. He definitely does one day to pass to get you to gamble. You know, like that's the whole point of it, I guess. Like, you know, they tell you one day to pass. They kind of give you all these things like, hey, if you go all in and pass, you could pass in one day and you could be funded in one day. Like that's just getting you new people to go and blow accounts. That's all that is. I mean, this could be a trend change right here if we can get over 600 and stay. If we can get over and stay, that would be, come on. Let me just see what's going on my actual charts. Oh, what the hell? Why does this keep happening? There we go. Just trying to move the chart, man. Just trying to look at different time frames here. Since I found Matt, you know, I've found Jay. I'm practicing a slower pace, but it'd be fun going on 10 micros or 20 evals at once. Yeah, I mean, you know, I'll do it every once in a while, but it is what it is. Yo, what up, Sergio? So my funded futures, do I have to consistently make 100 for 5 days in order to have a payout, or does it just need to be done once? Guapo, first you have to pass the eval, and you need to make $2,600 in the 50K. Once you pass that, the activation for there's no activation fee, which means you get funded instantly. And then from then on, you need to make $100 for 5 days, and you can request a payout. Does it need to be done once? Yeah, I think it's like every time you have 5 days of $100 or more, you can request a payout. It doesn't have to be. I don't think it has to be in a row. Kind of like this. Yo, what up, Roro? I'm kind of like, I don't like, you normally would short it right here. Right at the 34 is normally where I'd short this. But the fact is we just got over 600. So I think there's a lot of meat to the bone on the downside. Probably not. We just broke this downtrend. I don't think there's a lot of meat on the bone. So I would not short this. Let's see if we can push through. How's the market? Markets, we're having fun, man. I'm having fun. I got some evals. I'm having fun. I'm going to try passing a couple evals, and then I'm kind of done for the I'll just trade my funded accounts tomorrow and whatnot. Woo! Wow, 510 came out of the freaking. Well, I needed that in that account. That was nice. I mean, we talked about it. We said over, what did we say? Over 602 is a good place to long. We got over 602, and that was the spot to long. And, you know, you could have grabbed 10 points right now. I mean, that was the spot. I'm probably going to leak some contracts out here. especially. I'm trading my practice account and would have finished my Topstep eval if I would have taken the trades there instead. Oh, that's the worst. That's the worst. I'll be honest with you. I feel like I can never do like a paper account because I feel like I have no skin in the game. So like if I want to test something out, I test it out on an eval because I feel like it's just going to keep going back to this zero line. Dude, that was a nice pump. Yeah, so that's why I only do the evals. Like I'm testing something out new right now, and my purchase, hey man, I told everybody on this stream 602 was the number. If it gets over 602, that's the long. Can't help it if you didn't hit the button. I can't hit the button for anybody, but geez, this thing freaking took off. I bet you could, Ray. I bet you can get some real high. If you, I bet you can lock yourself into some real high percentage yield savings accounts right now. They probably have a bunch of them that are like 8% or something like that, way higher than they used to be. Design knob. You should have held that. You should have held those contracts with two hands, my friend. The old two-hand hold. Oh, I'm too late. Yeah. I wouldn't buy now. If you buy now, you got the case of the FOMO. There's some idiot that's buying right here though. Guaranteed. Somebody's like, I'm buying right here. It's going higher. Yeah. It might go higher, but I would not be a freaking buyer up here. You got to be crazy. Not spending Labor Day behind Wendy's. $20 is $20. A few weeks ago, I would have went into 3 micros. Yo, Sergio, that's a good trade, man. That's a good trade. I mean, I was gonna buy in another eval here also. I mean, you could see I added one, but that was the spot. Actually, I added one in there, and I got some of this money back. But if I trade today, I'm gonna be that idiot. Yeah, I've been there, man. I've been there. Yo, SB Soul in the house. What up? I don't know if they're going to dump this. That might have been the low of the day. That could have been the low of the day, to be honest with you. Holy shnikes. Dude, we're back up at the highs of the day. So I am going to, let me pull up. Oh. This is pretty much, holy sh. So I just took a risky freaking trade. I'm not even going to put it in here, but I longed this breakout and I sold real quick. is pretty much what happened for $35 in 3 accounts. That is not right here would be a here we go. There we go. That was just a scalp. And the only reason I did that was it retested the hourly breakout, which was right here. So this candle came down, retested the hourly breakout, and then I got this. But being that this just happened, I'm out for a scalp. Now, if we would have came up, consolidated here, moved up, consolidated here, and then broke out of here, I would have been buying. But the fact that we went all this distance, I'm not looking to hold that. You know, definitely not looking to hold that. This I need to see a pullback here to at least a 9. Man, I'm trying to think where I would want to grab it at. I think it's running out of juice here without a doubt. I just think we're going to have to pull back to I want some of these indicators to kind of catch up is really what I want. It looks like a big run, guys, but you got to remember this is only 50 points. This whole thing is 50 points. Like we come back to here, it's not as big run as you really think. I do like how it's consolidating. So right here is the hourly. Right here is the hourly orb, basically. So if we can consolidate here for maybe another 5 minutes or so, I would be willing to take this trade north. I want to see it hold here. I'm looking for consolidation. I'm looking for these indicators to kind of catch up a little bit, and then I'll look for another push. But I want to see it come down and retest it at least one more time. So I'd like to see this candle kind of get sold off, retest, see if we hold, and then kind of take it back up. Come on. Here we go. Come on, we're gonna retest. Let the 9 kind of catch up. The FOMO is strong with this one. Oh shit, I didn't even realize the chat wasn't even scrolling down. So weird. Hold on, Ray Bolt, buy with 3 minis. V bounces apparently no holidays. Poll is correct. NQ going to be green today. Yeah, that's the word. What is the V-shaped algo going on? Looks like the 30-point red in the purple. Let's see. Yo, what up, Peter? I don't even know what that dump was. The bounce was basically off of this VWAP line I got. I want to see consolidation right here. Yo, what up, Curtis? Yo, I'm going to open up the duck race in a little bit. I got to set it up. Dude, what time's the market close at today anyways? What time does futures close? Yeah, it closed at 1 o'clock today. Cole, you're the truth. Hi, you didn't hide your indicators. I got the feeling I won't be selling a course soon. No, I don't hide anything, Ray. Everything is out in the open for everybody. I'm not selling a course. I'm definitely not selling a course. Everything I give you guys is free. There's not one thing I charge for. Not only is it free, but I also make videos for people who ask me certain questions. I make them a video personally to help them out. See, the 9 kind of caught up. I'm curious if they just take this up for the day. I want to see one more pullback here. If they can pull back to like, yo, what up, Tito? I will open this thing up. We're going to run it at so here's the deal, guys. You guys, there's a bunch of new people in here. So I gotta run this by everybody. So here's the deal with the account giveaway. First of all, you have to be on the stream. You have 15 minutes to claim your account if you win. If you are not here and do not claim your account within 15 minutes, we run the race again until somebody in the stream wins it. It's appreciated if you join the duck race that you like the video, like the stream. Hit the like button and subscribe. It is appreciated. But we'll have some fun. It's gonna go off around. We're gonna do it like 12:10, probably 12:15. What is that? I'll open it up though because. Yo, Code, do you have a preference to one specific prop firm? I'll be honest with you, Sergio. I use a bunch of them. I like Apex because I can definitely test things out because the evals are cheaper, and I know that I know I'm getting paid. I like each one for different reasons. I like Take Profit Trader because you can get paid right away. I like My Funded Futures because I think it's the cheapest to get funded. If you can, because you can pay $76 and get funded on the first account, and that's it. There's no activation fee. I traded funded accounts today, Corey. I'm copy trading 3 fast track trader accounts. F it. F it. I'm in 2. This is going to be an But yeah, I tell everybody, Corey, that if you're not comfortable, you don't have to trade funded accounts, because this isn't the day to trade them if you're not feeling it. By the way, dude, I'm in the duck race too. I'm in. Good morning, Karen. Good morning. Good morning. Dude, I can't put you in. You got just do what everyone else is doing. Brandy. Just do it. You gotta just type that in the chat. Mike Bike, what up, Mike Bike? Let's see. Now I get to see all the new people in here. Love my Hemi. What up, Love my Hemi? Like I told you guys, yeah. Oh, damn, it's moving too fast. And smash the like button if you. Yo, put you in the race, Alfred. Yeah, I'll put you in. Yo, if you're joining the duck race, hit the like button on the video. There's people in here that are gonna check to make sure you did. Stay Blue wants video proof. The duck race is serious business. Brad Rogers, what's going on? Oh, damn, your kid's having anxiety? Yeah, one of my kids had anxiety about going back to school. Yeah, he was 5 at the time, though. Yo, Monster Trades, what up? What up, what up? I wouldn't be surprised if we retest 645. Just throwing it out there for everybody. 645 would really be the nice entry here. But I don't know if we're going to get it. But that would be, it's kind of what I was looking for. So my daughter actually really wants to go back to school. She wants to just go see all her friends that she hasn't seen all summer. She's only 8 though, so it's a little different. A lot of orders sitting around 645 on the book map. Yeah, the reason is that's the hourly or breakout, so I'm sure people are looking to buy when it retests. Visible IDs in the house. Asu. I think I definitely botched that up, man. Definitely botched that up. That might be my biggest name botcher of the day. Who else we got in here that's new? Yo, all you new people, say what's up. We like to hear from all the new people. G Crypto. By the way, just remember, man, the deal is when the duck race goes off, you have 15 minutes to claim it. And if you do not claim it, we just run that race again. We run the race again and somebody else gets it. That's the rules of the people. I don't make the rules. The people make the rules. Man, I'm thinking about using Bookmap. How much is it? I think it's like $20 a month. I think My Funded Futures has their own like Bookmap, by the way. You might want to look at it. It's best time to buy Apex accounts. What's up? The best time, well, now is a great time. The only better time than now has been when they do 90% off, but that's probably not going to be till Black Friday weekend. Don't bother. Most of the big orders are Bookmap are really spoofs. They pull the big orders when they get close. Yeah, yep. You can look at it on honestly, Corey, if you want to trade like using a Bookmap style, you can use Quant Towers, Footmap candles, and it's very similar, I feel. You could see where the point of control is and things like that. F1 Racing. Welcome to the stream, brother. Man, did y'all see that dude that got $1 million payout from Apex? Yeah. I seen it. Yeah, I saw one free Bookmap thing. I don't really care for Bookmap. It's not like my thing. So he got 1.9 million bucks. Yep. Not only do you have to trade well, but you have to have huge sack for that. You got to be able to risk it all. You know, some of his accounts were up $93,000. Like, I'll be honest with you, you don't get up $93,000 by playing one or two minis. Like, yeah, he did a video. The Diddy bot. What if is in here? Yeah, John Doe. He did a video. Without a doubt, he did a video. He did a video. I mean, listen, everyone's got to do a video. I did a video. Yeah, I mean, like Corey, like he's probably taking the same trades that like you would take. Not you, but like instead of just doing it with one mini, he's just doing it with probably 5. You know? Like if you did, you know, argument's sake, like if you got like I bought right here, like if I bought this with 5 minis and just held, you're talking about $1,000. So what would it be? Just call it, say right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'd be up $6,000 or $7,000 over. Just say I did 5,000. I could be up 5,000 in 20 accounts. So what would that be? That'd be 100 grand today. I mean, it's doable, man, but you got to play size. Also, I don't think he's using 50K accounts. He's probably using 150K accounts, or at least has a buffer. Sleeper NQ in the building. Yeah, I mean, that's the perks of having like a 150 account and having some drawdown. You know, he probably has some room to play with. Howdy. What up, Robert? Things are going good. I'm hanging in there. Fabi, what up? With a payout like that, you won't see 90% off for a long time. Yeah. 300 accounts are the best. Only pass evals on news, though. Yeah, I mean, that's what I tell everybody, man. Like, if you're looking to pass those big accounts, you gotta pass them on news events like CPI and stuff, because if you're just gonna trade 300K accounts, it's gonna take a while to pass. Like, I've passed 250K accounts. Man, it was such a grind. And by the time I was done, I was like, man, I made $15,000. I was like, I could have just passed a 50K and then passed, and then just got payouts by now. Like, it was just too ridiculous. Yeah, they need mass signups. And then and then delay payments for like a little bit. Dude, you guys have no idea how much Apex is making. No idea. Back after vacation, needed traded during vacation. NQ pissed me off. Broke the laptop screen. Jeez. Yo, Josh, smash that like button. Smash it, baby. Yo, this for all you other guys. I just gotta wake you guys all up. Time to wake up. Wake up, smash the like button, and let's get some money here. Frostic hit the wrong button. Smash the like button. I smashed the screen. Robert, it wasn't a touch screen, I'm guessing. Dude, let's try to get some profit here. By the way, Donovan, how's that account that you won? Are you up, or are you what are you doing with it? Nick Pass 88. I don't know what that is, Nick. I don't know what Nick Pass 88 is. Ah, nice, man. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yo, this is looking like one big flag here. I'm hoping we what's funny is these candles look big. They're super freaking small. I mean, this candle right here is only was that 5 points. We're gonna do a nice consolidation right above the hour orb, and then probably take it up is what I'm guessing for the day. Sean Colbert's in the house. Oh, Cards fan is in the house. What up? What up? Now, what Cards fan are you? Are you a Cards, like collectible Cards fan, or are you an Arizona Cardinals fan or a St. Louis Cardinals fan? What are we talking with? What are we dealing with here, Cards fan? St. Louis, dude, remember that run that they had where they were a wild card. They were a wild card team, and then they won the World Series. They were down to like their last strike versus Texas. Freaking Freeze played out of his mind. Did somebody really make a channel called CoveBot Trader? Yeah. Yeah, somebody definitely did. Dude, that they made a documentary about that. ESPN made a documentary. I watched it. Like, so I lived it, but you're not like invested in the cards in the wild card round or even like the first round, or like, you know, you really didn't get involved until they were playing Texas, and you were like, wow, like they're making a run for it. And then they played Texas, beat Texas, and you were like, holy shnikes. And then I'm trying to think who they played in the World Series, but the documentary was pretty good. Damn, Zadia, you made 180 points. Rob Moore's in the house. What up? Yeah, I mean, they're being okay. Couple good trades, couple bad trades. I'll be honest with you, not hourly, holiday trading is rough. It's not my favorite. It's kind of like trading after hours. So I think overall the trend's up. I mean, look, this is the Q chart on the daily. We broke out of this little flag on Friday. So I'm anticipating the Qs to be up around 480 or so tomorrow. What time is the duck race? Probably like 12:15. Kinja? I know a lot of people got places to be, so probably like 12:15. I'm letting everybody kind of just join. And I also have to leave time because if somebody's not around, plus it'll give us something to think about. Miramar, it'll give us some fun to do. Yeah, I'm only evals too, man. Actually, no. I actually traded some dude, you know what's crazy is the view count just went from 61 to 53. Somebody was definitely loading up their second accounts for the duck race, and now they just zapped them all out. You old zap them all out. Dude, don't get caught having multiple accounts in this room. Pitchforks come out. The pitchforks come out. Do you like fast track traders so far? I'm using them for over a week. Not bad at all. Yeah, I mean, listen, at the end of the day, what I tell everybody is you got to make quality trades. So, like, if you're with Fast Track Trader, Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, at the end of the day, you have to make quality trades. So it doesn't matter kind of it matters who you're with to an extent, but I think people focus so much on who they're with and not more of like, hey, maybe I should use this trading tool. Maybe I should have Trading View. Like, I think you're going to do well with Fast Track Trader or with anybody as long as your trading strategy is correct. But yeah, Fast Track Trader has been fine. I have it hooked up to Quant Tower, and I've had no issues with them. Rishi is here. Jokey. No, I'm saying you don't waste your time with evals. Yeah. So to me, there's a cost basis. So as long as the cost basis to anything, to getting funded, you got to figure out what your cost basis is. The other thing also I don't like is I think like, so Fast Track has a 20% consistency rule. So like, say I get into a trade like this today, like I got to sell out at, maybe when I'm up 350 bucks or $400. I can't hold longer. So that's what I don't like about them. Why, like if you were in Take Profit Trader, you could just hold and make yourself $5,000 and you're fine. I think that's where that's kind of where I think the other platforms are better. You don't have a 20% consistency rule. Yeah, Coles Cash. You also have to pay them by crypto or send them a wire. You can't use, there's a lot of things. I think they're early. I definitely think they're early. You definitely have to trade extra days. Cove, say it again. These cats think trading with different prop firms is going to make them a better trader. Yeah, I think that's the issue with a lot of people is they think switching prop firms is going to change their money that they're making. I'll be honest with you, if you have Apex and you can't make money, you're probably not going to make money anywhere else. It is what it is. Take Profit Trader will make you better because you got to watch out for the daily loss limit. I think at the end of the day, you just got to make. Micah, I've sent a video and got approved, man. Yeah, you're breathing and relaxing right now. I sent them a video. And then I sent them a link. I was like, here's a dick pic. Only open if you're going to be approving me. But yeah. Oh, this cycle? I've heard of a ton of people getting approved. Yo, it's not the daily loss limit on Topstep that I care about. It's the 50% consistency rule on their evals that I freaking hate. I hate the 50% consistency rule eval on Topstep. That's why I don't like doing their evals. If I'm going to do a consistency rule on the evals, might as well just do Take Profit Trader. At least they told you why they needed a video from me. They just told me they need videos from me. Yeah. They wanted to know a specific trade I took because the trade I took, I made more money than the consistency rule. But their consistency rule is not a hard 30%. If you're following your trade plan, I think they're flexible a little bit above 30%. Take Profit Trader is definitely difficult, but I tell people that you should only use Take Profit Trader when you're getting payouts because that's what makes Take Profit Trader the best is you can get daily payouts. That to me is, dude, this is going to be the best. All right. I just took profit there. Let's see if it comes back. Yeah, I mean, but it's the hardest to get to. Oh, does anyone know a Topstep promo code I could use right now? There are no promo codes. Chim Dog. They don't have any deals. It's just, it is what it is, man. My funded futures is 20% off expert accounts right now with my coupon code. It ends today. 20% off only expert accounts, though. I got a 50K at 52,400, but September 6th will be day 10. Yeah, I got an account like that, Micah, too. This slow movement is so much better. Why can't we do this every day? It takes longer than 5 seconds to blow accounts. This is how after hours trades, Austin, or pre-market. You want to trade overnight, this is what it is. This is very algo-y, though. Like, you'll get a flash up, you'll get a flash down. You get a lot of wicks. Yeah, that's true, Design Knob. If you like this, try the ES. Definitely try the ES. My grandma loves the ES. It moves like this. I tried the ES, man. It's so slow. I got hooked on the NQ instantly. Yo, you got to use limit orders, man. Got to use limit orders. And if you trade overnight, you got to use limit orders too, man. You can't be using, you can't be marketing in. Let's see if we can come back down to 34. Yo, Pine Tree, what up, what up? Oh, they often don't get filled on the ES? That's interesting. Yeah, overnight, I made the mistake one time of buying. You know what's crazy, Micah? I traded. What did I trade? Was it crude oil? Maybe it was crude oil overnight, and I marketed in. And as soon as I bought, I was down $430. I was like, what just happened? Oh, the Dow. The Dow moves a lot. Let me see what the Dow is doing. I'm just an NQ fan. Can't help it. Can't help it. I'm one with the NQ. I'm hoping we get a little dump here, just a little bit. NQ. Yeah, it's come on. What are we doing? It's crazy. Almost nobody blew accounts today. That's probably the highest no percentage I've seen Either you guys aren't trading accounts or you guys played the right way today. The Widowmaker. Dude, NQ can take a ton of money. Only trading micros? Yeah. Oh, I'm stretching out, man. Yo, I blew 2 evals today. I blew 2 evals and they told me thank you afterwards. Even gave me a napkin. Look at that. Boom and boom. Smoked me out. I almost got smoked out on this one too. I should have held that shit. Look at that. I added at the bottom, but Brian, you're up $70. That's solid. I don't know if we're going to get a little pullback here. This might ruin my day. This is looking good. I'm back in. I got out at 67 and pretty much back in right around the same spot. Yeah, it happens, man. I needed to play. I was like, I need to trade. I need to trade. I need to trade. So I got myself in one. This is one big consolidation, though. I think let's see what we got on the bigger times. I would probably be targeting, like 710. We might get a move to about, 710, 700 today. I wouldn't be surprised to see a nice run up into close. Yo, when it reopens at 6, everybody out. Everybody out. Watch me close at 700 today. That's what I'm calling. I'm calling 700 close today. I'm loving copy trading cards. I have to. I have so many accounts. I have so many accounts. Oh man. Oh, I just cracked my back. Yeah, I have too many accounts. I can't be not copy trading. I didn't even mean to get these accounts. All these accounts were rebills. Except for this one was not a rebill. The rest of them are all rebills. So I didn't want any more because I was just going to trade my funded accounts. You know, I copy trade. I have Ninja Trader set up for copy trading, and I have Quant Tower set up for copy trading. If you were interested in either one, I could show you how to do it. I have videos on them as well. I definitely have videos on how to set it up. But I feel like once you have, I probably have like 20 accounts or more. Woo! This is getting interesting. This is getting interesting. Let's see. Oh, design knob. Don't ruin my day, man. Don't be a buzzkill. But yeah, what do you think? We're going all the way down back to 200? That would ruin my day. Come on. Point of control is 620. Do you have a VPS? What is that? Virtual private server cards? I just do it on. I'm on Quant Tower. So if you have Quant Tower, here is all you got to do is hit like there's a button that just says copy trading, and then this pops up, and literally you just hit plus, and you can just add your accounts. And that's it. Super, super easy if you have Quant Tower. You get Quant Tower for free with a lot of these prop firms. And if you don't, you have Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader is super easy also. I have a whole video. All you do is download this indicator, and the indicator is a copy trading thing. It's all free. Super free. Yeah, today's one of those days. Lord's play. What's up, man? Oh, this does not look good. This does not look good. I'm out. I'm going to freaking close this position. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. Man, if we can get it back down to like 611 would be a dream. $632 would be nice. I am thinking here though what I want to do. Um, we get down around there, I'm definitely going long without a doubt. I just think that, man, honestly, this looks like it's going to let it go. Frozen style. Let it go. Let it go. Once we got under the 34 is probably where I should have just cut it. John King, you are not too late. We're going to do the duck race in like 45 minutes. Probably do it like 12:10, 12:15. The old ducks. The old quack, 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 quack. If the market comes down to 5, yeah, I mean, yeah, Corey. I mean, that would be the ultimate. That would be on an obvious spot to go long would be down there, but I don't think we're going to get down there. I think we're going to see like 32 or 30 right here. So that bounce is literally off of the hour orb. It bounced off the hourly orb to the T. I just think that we're going to blow through it. I feel like we're going to bounce up here and I'm going to take a short. My stop will be right here. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. I can live with that. Come on. Come on. Bring it down for daddy. Bring it on down. Um, come on. You can do it. Nope. Come on. We need you lower here. You have to call in. You have to call in a favor. We're going to need you lower here. Come on. I might take this. I might take this. Took it. Took it. Took it to the house. Oh, of course now it drops more. Oh, oh, jeez. Dude, why didn't somebody tell me to stay in? Let's see if it bounces. This is the 21 on the 5. Let's see if we. I just catch this both ways. Should have kept one runner. I think I should take my freaking money right here. I feel like I should take my money right here. Oh, I got it. I got one for 45 bucks. I think I made $90 on that. Just trying to get this account back out of the hole. Ultimately, I want to see it down here. Obviously, I think that's the play. That's the real play. But if you look, this line is the hourly orb is this line. I might hold a runner here. F it. I'm going to hold 2. This is where my stop is at. This is the hourly orb is at 44. I'm going to hold and see what we do here. I wouldn't be surprised if we bounce back up to 60. Let's see what happens. Oh, come on. Just pump it, baby. Give me a little pump. Little pump action. I do not like. See, this is the problem, though. You can just tell that it's just computer algorithms going back and forth by the wicks and whatnot. You could definitely tell by the wicks. Almost stopped me out. Let's go. Let's bounce this bad boy back up. Oh, this slow market is freaking rough, man. I also feel as we get closer to 1 o'clock, you're going to get less movement. Like unless they push it like one last time real quick. I got to put my phone in the charger. Unless they do like a quick push end of day, I think it's going to get slower action as we go on. Well, it's breaking below the orb right now. Now we're needs to get over the 9. You see how it can't close above the 9? This is why you should have the 9 on your chart. You can just see it's just following the 9, following the 9. Can't close above the 9. Honestly, I should not even go long until we close above the 9. That usually keeps me out of dumbass trades, but you know, I'm sitting here just slinging it because it's freaking holiday. Because it's a holiday, I'm just slinging it. But normally I wouldn't probably look for a trend reversal until we're over. Cove, you don't like using a price line to help follow price change? What do you mean price line? Is that like the guy that's going to save me money on my holidays? Who was that guy anyways? Oh. Dude, my kids are getting crazy today. It's like I can't wait till school starts again. Like an actual line where the price is at that second just shows where the price is currently at besides the candle. Just wondering if oh, you mean like following on the side? That doesn't really bother me. I'm not really, I have one right. So here, I'm going to show you. I have one right here. It moves around. This is what my quant tower looks like if you're wondering. So these are the fair value gaps. I got my moving averages. This is the hourly orb. This is the 15-minute orb. 34.9. You can see them all up here. 34.9, the 200. The 105 is the 21 on the 5. So Yeah, I mean that's on my other screen. So like I tell you guys, I have other screens on my setup. You're seeing one out of four screens. You're only seeing this. I have three other screens besides this. Ooh, this is starting to look interesting. Yo, Stay Blues in the house. What up, man? What up? What up? Yeah, the layout's good. I like Quant Tower. I like Quant Tower a lot, but this is why do extra screens keep the clutter down? They do. They definitely keep the clutter down. Um, this is why I say you don't take a trade on the long until you break over the 9 because it would have kept you out of all these other pops until you actually show strength. We get over this 34, I wouldn't be surprised if we see high a day again. I highly suggest extra screens if you're doing this full time. If you're doing this full time, extra screens is going to help you out tremendously. Also, you could run different things on different screens, like Quant Tower. When I have Ninja Trader up, also, I have a different strategy and indicators on that. So I just have a couple different things going on so I can really see a lot of the action. I'm not stuck just looking at the NQ on this one screen. I see a bunch of different things. Come on. Pump this over the 34, man. Pump it. Give the old Pelosi pump. Come on. I think you're going to get a little consolidation here, and then we're going to pump through. I'm going to add. I added one. Hikins are great. You could just play off the color changes if you like. Yo, I'm telling you, man, Hikins are amazing, especially if you're newer. It definitely helps you out. Definitely helps you out. What limit are you using? Time frame? Are you on a 1, 3, or 5? What are you doing? I use hiking on everything, but I trade off the 5. What signals that you get in when the color changes? For you guys that don't know, I'll just bring it up. Here's Huygens. So if you traded off the 5, you essentially are buying on this candle, selling on this candle. But what you have to realize though is just because this candle is here doesn't necessarily mean the price is here. Like it's weird. Like the bottom of the candle might be here, but the price could be like up. It's like kind of weird. I don't know how they're exactly calculated. I combo it with the EMAs. Listen, I think it's a great thing for people to do and use, without a doubt. So I'm going to peel one off right there. It's insane how slow market, even though it's a holiday, you think it move a little faster. Yeah, most people are gone. Most people are gone. It's a lot of algorithms just kind of trading among themselves. Oh man, come on, give us the pump. Come on, another like 3 points, 4 points. Come on, I know you got it. I think we're good up until 60. Up until 60. Come on. I am going to move my stop up though. My Quant Tower app won't start. Reinstalled everything. Still no good. What? Was it working on Friday? Was it working Friday, Ivan? Like what changed? I think it's because I added a new account, or maybe try. Oh, you reinstalled. I was going to say disconnect or reconnect, because when I came on today, I had a disconnect reconnect. The top bar, the bar at the top on the right, it says connected. I had to get off and get back on. I think it's because I edited. Dude, that's weird. It's not all right. So do Control Alt Delete and end task on it, and then try restarting it. There we go. This is what I wanted. So basically, what I think we're doing right here is just kind of popping. We're kind of flagging a little bit, and then we're going to pop through into the 60s. And I think we got a lot of resistance from 60 to 65. Like this whole area is going to be rough. Yeah, I would end task, Ivan. Woo, come on, baby. Pump it. It's so funny how long trades take on days like today because normally like we would have been in and out a bunch of times. Yo, I'm gonna launch this duck race in 20 minutes. If you haven't already, put the thing in the chat. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, and we are gonna launch this thing in like in 20 minutes. I don't want to hear that you missed it. So if you don't think that you were added, now is the time to add. So I need to push up right here. Just got stopped out. I still like it though. Honestly, as long as it holds above the 34, I might hold. Yeah, we're going to do a duck race probably around 12:15, 12:20. You got to remember if you're not here, the duck goes off. You have 15 minutes to claim it. Otherwise, we rerun it. I look forward to the rerun. Dude, there's going to be a rerun because there's a bunch of times people come in here and leave and they don't even know. I think we might actually, because it's the holiday and I don't want to be waiting around, we're going to shorten the time. Actually, you guys can even choose what you want to do because that's how we run it over here. Stay Blue's in here, so he usually here. How long to claim the actually we're gonna keep whatever wins, we're gonna keep it going forward. How's that sound, guys? Yo, that's it. We're gonna keep this going forward. 5 seconds. Dude, this vote is gonna carry until this vote is gonna carry. Come on. Let's go 1 minute timer. Dude, the issue is like I like the idea of having the reruns if the person's not in the chat. If the person's not in the chat, we just rerun it. I think it also makes the chat more excited when we start rerunning it. If I think oh my God, he's not here, rerun it in 5 minutes and just keep it rolling is definitely exciting. It definitely keeps it exciting. Dude, I need to go get a water. Oh, man. Well, I was finally stopped out. We get under 50. Hold on. I'm going to get a water real quick. What did I miss? Oh, it got me in short. Probably not for like 20 minutes, frozen dog. Man, this thing does look good to the up, but sticking to what I got here. Come on. Just looks weak. It looks weak a little bit, but they bought it back up. If they turn this up over where I get stopped out, I feel like during normal trading conditions would be a ride to the top. But you never know with, you know, this stuff that's going on today. I mean, it's all algos. Well, it looks like we're going to start moving the rules to 5 minutes to claim. We'll let everybody know. Yo, Andy, how's the script go? Are you running the script on these holiday times, or are you keeping that thing off? Did you even get 2,000 ticks? Like, how do you get? I'm just curious. If I go to ticks, what's 2,000 ticks even look like? Come on. Come on. We're going to blow through this. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Yes, I'm at 400. Dude, when would it have taken it? Like 2,000 ticks seems light. Look at this channel it's making, though. This is the fractal auto trend line. So if you want this, it's auto trend line KL, and basically just kind of makes the trend line based on what's going on. But you can kind of see the trend line we haven't been able to break over. So my target is like 37. If we can get down there, that'd be nice. Oh, just ruin it. Just ruin it. Yo, what up, Robert? Just like watching paint dry. It's crazy how slow it is. It's crazy how slow it is, because normally, like, for you guys that are in the room normally, I mean, we would have been taking a ton of trades. Do you think, I know for a guess, but so this is where I think we're going, man. Like, so here's the cues. Every time I click on this, I think we're breaking this little flag to the upside. I think we're gonna at least touch 485 on the cues. See this gap right here that we have? If we fill that gap to like 496, 498-ish up here, I'm slamming short. I'm calling grandma up. Yo, grandma, it's time to hit this short. Honestly, I think this is going to be the last pop, and I think we're going to roll over in September. September, October, I think are going to be down months. Yo, I call grandma up, bro. No joke. Grandma, yo, it's time to back the truck up, baby. Get in here. But short term, I think we're going to pop. Yeah, I think it's a little pretend. Methodical man, what up? Yeah, I think we're gonna pop this. If we can get over 485, that would be the last gap fill, and if we filled that, I would be looking to pound short. I don't think we're gonna go. Man, there's a lot of stuff going on. I think they're gonna hold it up till after the election. I'm not into politics hugely, but I feel like they can't drop it prior to the election, because God forbid it goes down. Like, say it gets destroyed. Say we go down 10%. Doesn't look good. So I think they're going to try holding it up, as one of their things is, we're at all-time highs under my leadership. Without a doubt. Man, I'm in this fucking text group. I got fantasy football coming up. I got all these freaking text messages from this. People take this stuff way too serious. Couple good trades today. This is why I don't trade overnight, though. I am how much y'all betting? I'm in a couple different leagues. One league is what is one league? Like 250. One league, I don't know. I think one league is like 500. And then I'm in another one that's like somewhere around there. I got one that's a keeper league, two that we draft every year. Well, you draft in the keeper league too, but I got two that you draft new every year. One's a keeper league. I got one with like my group of friends, one with my brothers, and then one on the guys from I played baseball with all the time. Also, I'm finishing up fantasy baseball, so I'm playing for third place right now this week, and that's done. Yo, this is the week that you bet your futures for NFL. If you guys do that, definitely the week to do that. Oh, my initial thesis was up until we broke down. Oh, this is why I don't trade funded accounts on days like this. Dude. I got to set up that freaking duck thing. Well, there we go. By the way, anybody not enter this thing, I will resume entries for 2 seconds while I set this up. If you didn't enter, now is the time to enter, guys. I know people got barbecues to go to. You got 30 seconds to enter before I start setting this up. 30 seconds. By the way, if you haven't liked or subscribed, now is the time as well. Hopefully you did. If you blew any accounts, use the best coupon code out there, Cove Trader. Oh, Donovan checking. It's a good idea. You should check if you did. Keith, it's nice to see you off the bowl today. You are, there you go. All right. That's it. Yo, if I win, I'm going to YOLO it live. Bro. Dude, I'll YOLO one. If we were moving, I would YOLO, but we're not even like moving anywhere. On the best prop firm news video, what was the best news? Oh, pro at nothing. The best news is that you don't have to use freaking Apex after everyone's bitching about it. Everyone's bitching about their video that they need to make and they got to do all this stuff. The greatest news is there's other options, man. You don't have to use them. What's even better is you don't have to use a prop firm. Just put your own money in E-Trade and you can do all the stuff that you want to do. And then you'll bitch that you have to put a lot of money in there. Dude, I'm about to run it. Yeah, man, that's the truth. Everybody wants to use, so basically people are bitching because they want to use a service. So they want to use Apex's service, and then they bitch that they have to follow Apex rules. So why, that's the greatest news, man. Is it not? It's the greatest news that you're not tied to one prop firm. That's the deal. You guys are all complaining about it. Use E-Trade, man. E-Trade. I have E-Trade. I trade futures with E-Trade. Buck up 25 G's, and I'll get actually gonna need a little bit more. We need a little buffer. We're gonna run this shiznick. So we're gonna run it. I blew 2 evals today. I heard if you pound the number 1, you go faster. That's the word on the street. Don't ask me who started that. Somebody did. And they might have won, actually. Boom, baby. We live. I don't know who started that. Somebody started that. Dude, I love the different ducks, though. Look at this old-ass duck, this Sherlock Holmes-looking duck. Fabi? I don't know who that is. You got the Dr. Duck. Ashushu. You got a strawberry duck. Yo, the Batman duck won last time. Whoever was Batman won last time. That guy was cool. You got the vampire duck. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. I got the duck. I got the big duck with me. Come on, baby. Making a comeback? Dude, I'm in there somewhere. I don't even see my duck. Where's my duck at? Dude, my duck is off the screen. I'm just glad the Batman duck won last time. It was awesome. Trading Nitro X is the Batman duck. Look at this one with the glasses. Robert's got the glasses on. We got a bear duck. By the way, guys, you got 5 minutes to claim your account. Otherwise, we're going to rerun it. Gaming's back there with the OG duck. Uh-oh, Stay Blue is hanging in the back, and Art duck. Oh my God, trading bot. Dude, you just took over the whole race, bro. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Yo, nice. You got 5 minutes. It's 12:22, bro. 12:22. Better start that timer. Stay Blue. Start the timer up. Didn't he win last time? Yo, Design Knob goes, I'm here. Yo, I'm here. Guys, I'm here. Yo, he's in there. Nitro X. I am here in Justice voice. Dude, that's 2 times in a row the Batman duck won. Nitro, did you win on Friday? Dude, he did hit it. He hit the NOS, man. That shit was wild. He's an imposter. Yo, Batman duck won twice in a row. Batman duck freaking crushed it. Yo, Design Knob, send in the video passing the 1 key. Ivan Austin, how do I claim? I'm here. Yo. Oh, no. Oh, man. All right. Nitro. Send me an email. I know a lot of you guys got barbecues to go to and whatnot. Dude, this thing's just trading this little zone. Missed it. Had to go back and watch. Any free accounts for the 4th? What? Oh. Josh, if you're not first, you're last. Yeah, we're doing 5 minutes though, going forward for everybody that's here every day. 5 minutes. And if you don't claim in 5 minutes, we rerun. Dude, you want a giant barbecue at the Cove residence? Dude, maybe we'll do something big. Maybe we'll do like a get together. We can do a get together. Actually, you know what? No, John, there's not. We do them through the week though, John. So we'll do one every Friday. We do it. We usually do it 2 other days during the week. So maybe we'll do one tomorrow, Wednesday or Thursday, and then we do one on Friday. But I think we should do a big get together, and I will do it in Vegas with Jay maybe, and we'll do a big one. Yo, Robert, I'll see you later, man. Everyone's got barbecues to go to. Dude, I'm going to invite Darrell out there, without a doubt. I'm going to invite Darrell. Dude, he's going to be watching us. He's going to be like across the freaking place just with his binoculars on, just spying on us. Yeah, I'm not leaving yet, but I am going to fire up the grill later on at some point. Got to I think I'm going to make some chicken. I had ribs yesterday. I had lamb yesterday. I think I'm going to do some chicken. True Daryl. What's going on, True Daryl? Or Stuart? Yeah, Brian. I'll see you later. That's why I did the race earlier. People got barbecues to go to. I'm sticking here to the end. I'm hoping we like maybe pick up here and then flip back up. I'm hoping for. Dude, this market action is so slow. These candles aren't even big. Like you look at it and you're like, oh, that looks big. It's literally 45. It's 5 points. 5 freaking points. And now it's coming right back down. I can't wait till tomorrow to be slapping accounts. Dude, Nitro's email is the real justice at gmail.com. Is that weird? It's the real justice at gmail.com. it's justice. I am here at gmail.com. Dude, when he said I am here, bro, I was like, oh no. Oh no. And then all of a sudden he came in as Jay Lee and was like, I'm here, I'm here. That was freaking hysterical. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, it looks like it's going to drop. I just wonder if it holds up here. Are we going to hold here or what? I feel like this is the spot of a bounce. You got the 200 creeping up. Come on. Oh, my back. Come on, dude. We're going. Dude, Nitro, you're the man. Yo, that Bat Duck has won the last 2 races. I'm curious how many times the Bat Duck can win in a row. Will it go for a third time? We've never had a duck win twice in a row. That's the first time I've seen the same duck win twice in a row. I'm curious if we go for a third time. Well, we in. We are in. Let's find out right now. Dude, we'll find out this week a couple times. Come on. These candles. Come on. Yeah, I know, man. I'm just trying to provide as much. It's hard to provide entertainment when the market sucks like this. Oh, I'm with you, Stay Blue. I'm with you. I'm trying to figure out who I'm going to draft in my fantasy. Come on. Full port, baby. Yo, Adam Box. Welcome to the chat, Adam Box. Trudell Stewart, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh. Come on. It'd be so awesome within the last 5 minutes that they just freaking bought it all up. Yes, today is not a holiday. Today is not considering a trading day. Yep. Sunday through 5 p.m. is considered a trading day. Actually, today is either today's considered the same day as, I think today is considered the same day as Friday. So Sunday night through 5 p.m. is still considered basically Friday. Look at that, 190 bucks. Boom. That was good, guys. That was good. Yeah. So we're still on the same day as Friday. At least I got this account green. Let's see if I get this account green. What are we at? 509. Let's see if I can get this green. We need 200 and something dollars here. Let's see if I can make that real quick at the end of it. I got 20 minutes. Oh, it's Sunday through Tuesday is one day. JKWS. So if you're, I don't know if you're right or wrong, but I know if you have a paid account, your money doesn't settle from what you traded on Friday does not settle today. It settles on Tuesday. So that's why, in my mind, Friday and today is grouped as one day, because your Friday money still doesn't settle today on a margin account. It doesn't settle till Tuesday. I don't know how the prop firms do it, but if you're trading your own money, like I used money on Friday, I don't get that money back until Tuesday. Yeah, Friday. So, well, yeah, but I'm trading options, so I can't access options until Tuesday at 9:30 when the market opens. Oh, do you think this whole week will be choppy? No, no, Kinja. Actually, have you seen the economic calendar outlook? Let's see what the economic calendar. So what do we got? On Tuesday, tomorrow, we have construction spending at 10, and we have ISM manufacturing at 10. ISM manufacturing could move the market. You might get a big spike or down candle on the minute or so. On Wednesday, we have the U.S. trade deficit. That would be interesting. And then you have the Fed beige book at 2 p.m. on Wednesday. Thursday, you have unemployment. You have initial jobless claims. On Thursday, 8:30 is definitely news that will move the market. You have ISM at 10. And then you have on Friday, you have U.S. employment and unemployment. You also have a Fed speaker at 8:45 on Friday and another one at 11 a.m. Yo, what's good, Aventus? What up, what up? Yo, not man, slow ass market. Slow market. There's a my funded futures deal that ends today. If you guys didn't know, my funded futures 20% off. Expert accounts with the coupon code COVETRADER. You save 20%. It ends today probably at midnight. So if you're looking for that, that's pretty decent. Thinking what else? What else is going on today? That deal ends. Nobody else is really running deals that end today. That was like the big deal. Boom, boom, boom. Man, are we going to pump the last 15 minutes of this market? Here we go. Here we go. I'm going hard right now. We're just going in. We're just going in on it right now. Come on. I want to see an algo candle. I want to see a massive algo candle that gets us green on the day. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Kinja. Oh, yeah. They were doing buy 5, get 1 free before they did the 50% off. And then they did 50% off. I think 50% off is better than buy 5, get 1 free, but that's still a decent deal. Will the toddler murder bot make an appearance? I don't know. We have 5 minutes. All the market on close orders. Dude, you know what's going to make an appearance? Lunch. Lunch has to make an appearance soon. I'm freaking getting hungry here. This looks like it's going to just consolidate and then, yes, Diddy. Yo, what up, Diddy bot? The Diddy bot's in the house? Dude, I'm itching to start slapping some contracts, man. This is like, this is rough. This is why I don't like holidays, man. You know what? It's just a lack of volume. Like, you don't get the pushes or the dumps that you really need. Well, if you blew accounts today, coupon code Cove Trader gives you actually the biggest discount of all of the codes. It is the best code out there. So just fire it up when you fire up an account like I do freaking every day. I just blew 2 accounts today. Blew 2 today. Unbelievable. Come on. Come on. Just give me a pump. End of the day pump. Why is it so difficult? Are you too good for your home? You too good for your home? Jeez. Dude, I need a massive iced coffee, by the way. Like a big gulp iced coffee. I need one like that size. Freaking. Man, my phone battery is like, oh, why are you doing this, market? Market, you did me so wrong. Well, it's pretty interesting that we changed the duck race to claim in 5 minutes. I kind of like that rule. That was a good rule of the day. Damn, it's crazy how many people wanted it faster. Oh, come on. This isn't even like big moves either. We're actually holding above the 1 hour orb, if you guys didn't know. This yellow line I drew is, this is the 1 hour orb right here. So opening range 1 hour is right here. Actually, if this was normal trading days, I would say that if we bounced off that orb and broke this, this is looking really good for the upside. It's one big flag. This is, we ran up and this is basically one big flag that we're in. I don't know if we're going to break to the upside, but we might run out of time. But that during normal trading hours would be the bee's knees. Bounce right off of this 1 hour orb through. Come on. Bounce it, baby. Dude, this is rough. Holiday trading is just rough. Back to normal scheduled degenerate trading tomorrow. I mean, let me just see something real quick. I mean, this would be the spot. I like that we're up on the day, though, even by a little bit, because the Qs technically would be up. So look at this daily chart. I'll show you this daily chart real quick. How bullish does that look? This is looking really freaking bullish. That's what this looks like. Basically, we bounced, we broke over kind of like a day of rest, and now we're going to punch through. I wouldn't be surprised to see 20,000 again. Just throwing it out there. That's freaking bullish. You basically worked off, this is the zero leg MACD. You basically worked off the daily MACD a bunch, and now you're starting to curl back up. And if you go on the shorter time frames of, say, like an hour, I mean, fuck. I mean, you can see we broke out, and now we're going to start scooping up here. I definitely could see us being up like 100 to 200 points tomorrow. Holy shit. Oh. Dude, that's just straight up algo candle. That's all that is straight algo. So stupid. There's just no volume. That was the market on close orders. That was the bot. Come on, give daddy a little bounce here. Give me a little bounce. Just a little bit. Not looking for a huge bounce. Give me a little bounce. Come on. That's crazy. We're up freaking 0.04. Come on, finish 10 points higher. Give me 10 points. Give me 10 points. I'm just putting my order in because I could see this just like flash up real quick. Come on. Come on, guy. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. Come on. Come on. For all I do for you, market, you could bounce. For everything I do for you, market, just bounce a little bit for me. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit. You got it. Let me just bing. Come on. Come on. Dude, going nowhere today. Nowhere intraday, nowhere. Now I got to get ready for my fantasy football. Fantasy football. Dude. Almost stopped me out. Come on. It's a little double bottom on the 1 minute right there. Come on, baby. Just up, up. Trading is brutal during the holidays. Jeez. There we go. Look at that. Come on. All right. Just took a little bit. Almost ready to pass this one. Dude, this is just freaking. Come on. Dude, anybody actually in anything right now? So long. Come on. Let's see if I can get back. Oh, yeah, baby. Another one. Another one. Dude, working this a little account up. Scalping off the bottom there. Man, that's so crazy because I was short up here. Where was I short? I was short and we could have freaking. I would have made a lot. I would have made money. Could have made money. Could have, would have, should have. Damn, look at that. Look at that. I should have held. I'll be honest with you, as long as we're green, because I think tomorrow we're gonna have a massive up day. I think we're gonna be up like 1% tomorrow. Holy shnikes. Watch freak over. Dude, watch. If they can get, dude, boner, straight bonered. Look at this. Watch them push it to like 75 end of day here. This is at the resistance. This is it. We break over this. I mean, yo, I was just in something. Where did I get? I just got taken out. Dude, Apex just took me out. Dude, they sold me out. Oh, because there's no after hours trading. They sold me out down here. Oh, geez. That sucks. I just realized that. That's it. There's no after hours. We're done. Ugh. I'm telling you, somebody big bought at the end. They know. They know. They know. That's pretty much what happened. Oh. Dudes, guys, I'm sorry today wasn't as eventful as it normally is in the chat. Usually we're going crazy up in here. This was really bad action today. This was super bad. Couldn't even have that much fun. This was just bad. I mean, like, we just kind of hung out. It was good seeing everybody, but man, I'm ready to freaking slam this thing. Everybody go enjoy the grill. I will see you tomorrow. Normal time, 1:30 to the end of the day. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Later.